What's up everybody, Bo is here. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much. Well, springtime is here. Fishing season starts. Well, if you're fishing the California Eastern Sierra, the fishing season starts the last Saturday of April. So trout season is here. Anyways, I'm just, I have a little time, just look around to see what can I do to improve, or there's a few things that I had in mind that I have to do to upgrade this van and then get things ready for the camping season coming up. Well, one of them is to because I'm using the strut, gas strut here for the same size of the strut for the 30-inch cabinet door and the 24-inch. Well, the 24-inch is light is lighter, so the 6-inch strut can support it. It's just a little bit soft, but it still support. As for the 30 inches door, it will not support, so it will not stay up. So I am upgrading. I want to do all of them, but right now I have only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to do at this time. So I'm going to change on all of the 30-inch door. Okay, these struts are N20 and 6 inches, and then I am going to change it to a 10-inch strut, which will definitely hold up the 30-inch door. It's much stronger. This one I think holds up to 20 pounds. As far as the hardware for it, it's the same thing. You just need to remove the old one and replace it with this one, and move the post the screws lower on this side, and it should fit this on the same hardware. So that's what I'm going to do this time. So this is a 10-inch gas strut. Okay, they've been working very well for the last few builds that I've used. I had the adjustable hinge before. It's too much work. You have to keep on tighten the screw and adjust it every time, every use, every trip or so. So this one, just once and that's it. It will it works and looks so clean too on these. So if you're interested, I'll put the link below as well. Okay, it's gonna be the same brand. Okay, as you can see on the 24-inch, it stays up, and then this one it doesn't stay, but still it's still soft. With this, it will stay up unless you kind of bring it down yourself. So Here we go, everybody. We have new struts now. Look at these. Okay, beautiful, strong. It'll stay up until you close it. It won't come down. This one. So perfect 10 inches for a 12-inch cabinet. Okay. Okay. So by the way, I have listed this van, my van right there, everybody, on sale. So once the website approved, I put the link under the description below. You can check it out if you're interested. Just email me or comments whatever questions you have. It's inside all brand new. Haven't used it yet since I built it. Okay, it's all new. There's nothing wrong with the van. It's very well taken care of, maintenance and everything. So you can check out all the photos I put on the link as well. So okay, let's see what's next I can do here. Hey, I found another idea, guys. So underneath here I still have space. I still have plenty of space here for storage. So and when I want to put things in here, I have to open the top here and, you know, get things out from the top. So now why don't I make a door right here? So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to make a door right here. Remove this. It's going to be the same wood. Just cut it right here, and you know I still have some hinges and a slam latch that will work. Okay, I don't need strong hinges. This is a 2-inch mini screw, 6 mini screws. That's all I need, just to hold the door from open and close. And so that way I can put, you know, things and take things through here instead of have to remove the cushion and take things from the top, such as, you know, I can put my water hose and filter, water filter and stuff here on this side. So every time I refill with water, just take it out from there, and I can free up some space on that side as well. So that's another. So I can make an 18 inches door here, which is a big door. The hole drill for the slam latch, I'm using a 2.5-inch drill bit. There's also a tool for that, the Craig tool. You can find that just for the slam latch right here. So it's a 2.5 here hole, and I'm leaving from the edge about 1/8 of an inch. It depends on how much you want it to stick out, or how much the lock on that side allows you to. So it's up to you. And if you don't want it to crack on the other side, you can flip it over, and since you have the bit hole already through this side, you can do it from here. That way you can cut clean. There's no, as you can see, there's no chip on this side or this side. Cuts it. It's a clean cut. Put everything, I put this side back and this side back. What I did was I cut one more of these supports here, the aluminum, and put on this side. So now I can have the door. Let's see. It's gonna be like that, and then open from this side like this. Now I can reach things inside here easily. Okay, it's a new painted panel. It looks nicer. Looks new, brand new. Okay, cool. Okay, the door is mounted. Now we just need to put the what I call here the ankle or the catcher for the slam latch to be locked. It is now locked, but it's, you can see it's because this is more thicker than a half an inch. So this is how this bracket is going to hold that, and you can see it's thinner than this because this is designed for a like a 3/4 inch. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a couple of the washers on this side here, and this thing is mounted in from the inside. That way when you close, this one will catch on to that and it locks tight. Okay, check it out you guys. The door is done. Look at this. Even though you can't really slam to it, but you can kind of pull this a little bit and then it'll lock in place. So the door will not rattle around when you drive. It fits tight. So okay, there, I'll take that. You can slam, but it's a little bit noisy there. Okay, this is done. I like it. Now we have a door here. We can put whatever here, things in here, you know. Done. Okay everybody, thank you so much for watching. This is it. Hope you guys like it. New cabinet struts and the new little door. Just an idea. If you like something like that, okay, build it with a very simple 2 inches butt hinges and the slam latch, you know, so you don't have to open from the top, and this is just an access door to the storage underneath, so you can do on either side too. So that's it. This is Bo. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, please share the video. See you next time on the road somewhere fishing. Yeah. Thank you. Bye bye.